Hey, Mark. Arctic said, what's up?
Yo, any words for the camera, McMahon? Young Blizzy?
Young Blizzy. You gonna be like... He be trying to write to me, too, man. What it is, Young Blizzy. You call me that? Yeah. Bro, I wrote him back once.
Go in there.
And then he wrote...
Boom. Molly.
Take the shoes off. We're going. No, I can't.
Need my shoes.
I sent that nigga one message.
Say I won't do 10, please.
And he wrote back like.
He's dripping.
Wait, that's all the medicine?
Nah, Houston got you. Yo, hold it higher.
Yeah, we'll do it 5 minutes.
I'm gonna kind of wrap your arm gently, and then
Hello?
you could probably follow from up there.
Okay.
Okay. You just need to tell me where all that.
This is the worst part right here.
Well, I'm thinking of.
Yeah, but when they hit that switch in the chair, go. You don't want me to?
Because he seems to have it.
What's the worst part right here?
They're gonna go back in here and be done.
around it. But it might even not. It might even just
Flat. It might.
Log out. Just log out.
He's blowing you up.
He's spinning right. Are you logged into his stuff? Who? Young Blaze? Young McReese Blaze? He would flap you with his left arm.
Ah, so sketchy.
Oh yeah, I gotta go back. I gotta go back.
Young Blizzy in this. Hey.
Yeah, Instagram is this.
Here, you want to fill it?
Okay, fine.
I think it's coming out with it.
Yeah, I see a lot. It is just like elementary school. You want to see how bad it is?
Look how cool it looks. Look at it.
Be careful.
Yep. Yeah.
Part right?
No, that's it.
He's tripping so hard.
So, I mean, that was really.
Yep, I got it.
Yeah. Oh, damn, I just saw it. He's gonna have. He's gonna look at the window when they get him checked in and stuff. He's gonna have
He's
enough.
gonna be fine.
Yeah.
It takes the.
Hey, get a picture with me on the line right now.
But I was trying to document his moment.
No, that's
Oh, okay. The only thing we can do is right now is never know what his arm is. So I got great blood and he has great blood for it. So we have all those rows. Here, you know what I mean? There's no place in it.
What's up?
Yeah, you're smiling
Young
now.
Blizzy.
When you can't do it.
Yeah.
You want an 8? No, this is straight. Wait, you got an 8? Yes. I'll have an 8.
Making options, executive decisions.
You're awful.
I'll bring my son here Sunday to really?
Oh yeah.
Hey, this is raw right here, bro. Except for this part. Minus this, but I'm still stuck. I think we were trying to...
Hey, is everybody, the road with him or anything? No.
All together. No, he's 8 milligrams. How many?
Hey, Ryan,
Oh, yeah, can I have it stopped?
I got it.
Oh, thank you.
Got you, bro. Yeah, till you roll away. So he exits the parking lot.
got that shit right there, like a champion.
Hey, Sam, what's up?
My dog, shoot champ.
Hey, this team rider right here, you know what it is.
Oh, balling
It's gonna become better than
for the
ever.
crew.
You know what I'm saying? They know I'm young Blizzard, so I ride for free.
Post up. Yeah, do good, champ.
Gotcha.
I'll check up on you. Riding out.